Hello everyone, my name is Dylan Dot and I'm doing Peru. Where is Peru? Well, it's actually in the South American continent off the Pacific Ocean. It's very mountainous, as you can tell on this page. And all these like streams and these little rivers that start in these, they're called the Andes Mountains, lead to the Amazon, which I thought was interesting. What will be the population of Peru in 2020? Well, right now, it's actually only 33 million people, but it will cap out in the year 2065 at about 42 million people. And then the year 2100, it will cap out about 39 million people. That's a 3 million difference in population. Um, and a lot of South American countries are trending this way. What is the carbon emission of Peru? Well, it's not as like the United States. Their annual is about like 50, I don't know how you say it, like 50 tons of carbon emissions each and every year. But they're per person, it does get up there in that area. They are starting to be more of a developed country, and they're starting to be more of an industry like the United States. And again, over time, they haven't really done much carbon emission. The population size of Peru, well, it ranks 43rd in the whole world, topping out around about 33 million. But I just wanted to show you on this side where they compare to, and also with these other countries as well. Where do people from Peru come from or go? Well, a lot of people actually from Peru receive people from the United States, China, Argentina, Brazil, which I thought was very interesting. But Peru's also go to places like Venezuela or Spain or Colombia, these other South American countries, or these countries that speak, like in Europe, speak Spanish. What's the population density of Peru? It ranks actually 51. It's about 25.6 per person. Uh, uh, and kilometers squared, which actually isn't too far behind the United States, which I thought was very interesting as well. Where does the region of Peru? Well, they're going to be capping out about the same time as Peru, and that's between 2050 and 2065. And a lot of these countries will be as well, but Africa, they're on a different level. They keep trying to increase the population. What is the population growth of Peru versus the world? Well, as we look, Europe is actually decreasing their population, as Japan as well. And we see that Africa, and on that scale, it was going up. But Peru actually has about 0 to 0.1% annual growth each and every year until it caps out around 2065. 3 fun facts about Peru. Well, their life expectancy is actually really good. It's about 74 for males and females in total. The labor force, they actually they work a lot, but I just wanted to let you see what China and India were doing, and how they compare to them. And their birth rates, their birth rates are pretty high, right now, but are decreasing over time, like I said earlier. Well, it's the future of Peru. Well, the future of Peru, like I said earlier, was at the height of its population. It's going to be at 2000 in the year 2065, and it will start to decrease again around 2100, and that shall be around about 39 mil in population size. What geology disaster happens in Peru? A lot of mudslides, there are some volcanoes, and there are a lot of earthquakes because it is on tectonic plates in those areas. Another interesting fact that I thought about was that Peru actually has the second largest population of llamas, believe it or not. So, well, thank you so much. Thanks for listening.